If you want to change the notification sound of your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to settings, then tap on sounds and vibration. From here, just tap on other notifications and reminders. Now you can download any ringtone from the available over here, or you can select any default notification ringtone which is available in your settings. For that, just tap on pre-installed ringtones, and from here you can select any ringtone style from the default of your smartphone. Just like that. After you select the notification sound which you like, then tap on apply in front of the notification sound and tap on OK. And as you can see, we have successfully selected this ringtone as the notification sound of our Redmi 15C. And if we go back, as you can see, the selected ringtone has been set as the notification and the reminder sound of our Redmi 15C. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.